Umuthi nirio Rashid Ahmed aumaetikire kana aregane na thitango cia kuhuthira matharaita make uru na kuraga ekuirwo eri ya thi wa miaka 18 mwaka-ini wa 2017 no Rashid ndanekinyia igoti-ini agitariria igoti kugirira nenda-ini gitumi ni gukorwo aumagarite nginya kaunti ya Garissa niguo gutangikira maundu make mucii.
My name is Danstan Omari.
Ukiri uguo jaji wa igoti-ini Kanyi Kimondo ni ethire Rashid ekinyie wabici-ini cia DCI kaunti-ini ya Garissa athutha ucio atwarwo nginya thibitari wa Mathare niguo athurimwo wagiriru wa kimeciria.
Now, why are you very far away in Garissa? The last time I was told you are in hospital at Medina.
Your Honor, I was attending a family matter, but all that time I was present and I never wanted to run away. This is now about 2-3 months and still I'm present, sir.
Oho igoti no riathanire wona Rashid eneana kuri maabitha a borithi no aheo mbero jaji Kimondo agikinyanirie cira uyu gathie na mbere tariki 9 mweri ukite.
I'll be making an order that you submit yourself to the nearest DCI office to where you are, not for purposes of any arrest. I'm even prepared to give you some anticipatory bail. But then the DCIO from the nearest police station, I'm going to give an order, will then escort you to Nairobi because you need to go to Mathare Hospital, Imparo Hospital for a medical examination before the plea in this matter can be taken.
And we expect that by 8th, when we shall be in court, because they have no evidence against Rashid, the court will not proceed to Rashid taking the plea.
Ona kuhana uguo uria ratongoria mawakiri ake Danstan Omari ni atianirie muthigi wa Rashid gukorwo agitikira kana kuregana na thitango akiagira kiene uritu wa uira uria uriho.
Ask the government to protect his rights as an officer, as a good citizen of this country. And I will stand as a society with our lawyers and we will stand with Ahmed Rashid until the end.
We are very definite that once the state responds without any evidence, that the judge will agree with us that there is no basis at all for one Sergeant Rashid to take plea.
Muthia-ini wa mwaka muhituku nirio ruhonge rwa kunyabara mirutire wira ya borithi IPOA yathitangire Rashid ni kuhuthira matharaita make uru ari miaka 5 thutha wa giko giki. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.